You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I would like an increase in my financial support.
Okay. And your financial support or support for your children?
Support for the children.
Okay. Mr. Wilson.
Step into a courtroom where secrets spill, tempers flare, and the judge takes no nonsense. Today, we're counting down jaw-dropping moments from a child support battle that's anything but ordinary. From a $3 million oil deal to Instagram accusations. And a secretary with loose lips, this case has it all.
Please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? Do not address her. I'm talking to her. You will have your opportunity to speak, okay?
Yes,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
Okay, right from the jump, you can feel the tension in this room. Miss Wilson isn't just asking for more money. She's got receipts, and she's ready to go to war. If you've ever been in a situation where you had to fight for what your kids deserve, you know this feeling.
Go ahead.
As I was saying, I'm already receiving child support, yes, but I would like an increase for our children.
Okay, how many children do you all have?
2.
But wait, how did she even find out about his new money? This is where things get juicy. The secretary, oh, you know there's drama coming.
His secretary kind of told me.
His secretary told you?
Yes.
Did she tell you something or did you ask her to look for you?
No, honestly, she just brought it to my attention.
Can you imagine your ex's secretary just casually dropping your financial secrets? I'd be sweating bullets. And the judge, she's not having any of this he said, she said mess.
Well, I have an interest in an oil and gas, 2 oil and gas partnerships.
Okay.
But really, it's been a dud. We hadn't made any money until the last year we made some money.
What's some money?
I don't know how much the partnership made, but I received a $50,000.
Let me ask this question. When I ask a question, just answer it.
Yes, Your
I don't
Honor.
need all the extra.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much money are we talking about?
Well, the partnership itself made about $3 million.
$3 million?
But I received $50,000 distribution.
Now we're getting to it. You received
Well,
50?
Now here comes the bombshell. Oil and gas money, $3 million. But watch how Mr. Wilson tries to downplay it. Classic move.
In the amount of $50,000.
Okay, so your partnership paid a debt of $50,000. What debt was that?
It was to the IRS.
Okay, all right. So you know that we could deem that as income, right? For purposes
Your
of
Honor.
calculating your child support.
But I didn't even receive, it didn't even touch my bank account.
It doesn't have to touch your bank account. Under Texas law,
$50,000 just paid to the IRS. That's not pocket change. And the judge is about to school everyone on what counts as income.
I make about I bring home about $80,000.
all right, let me look at some documents you turned in here. According to your documents, your tax return last year was $72,000. That's about accurate?
That sounds about right.
Okay, so let me tell you what we're getting ready to do. That $50,000, that was the distribution, right? That's your testimony, right?
That
Your
went to the
tax returns
IRS.
are correct, right?
Well,
They
Are your
are.
your tax returns correct or they incorrect? Is it as simple
according to
yes
my
or no?
CPA.
According to your CPA. Okay.
I
so
didn't prepare them.
according to that, I have your off doing the gross from the $50,000. That brings your gross to $42,000, $4,200, excuse me. The net of that is $3,510.58. And then, according to your tax return, you make $72,000 in your business, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is
Okay.
one of those moments where the law hits hard. Doesn't matter if you never saw the cash. If it paid your bills, it's income. The judge is laying down the law, and honestly, I'm here for it. You can see Mr. Wilson squirming as the judge goes through his tax returns, line by line. No hiding here. And when she starts crunching those numbers, you know the verdict is coming.
Can you ask me the question without wasting my time? Can you do that?
I saw on her Instagram that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra
That-
money just
no.
gonna go to these trips. I really don't think it's gonna go to anything related.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
You need to stop it.
Excuse me.
I can
Both
show
of
you
you
the
need to
Instagram.
stop it. Both
It's
of you need
Instagram,
to
it's
stop
fake.
it. Excuse me. When I talk, the two of you be quiet. Now I see why y'all got a divorce. Y'all cannot get along.
No, we
But
got
listen to
divorced 'cause
this.
he cheated.
No, let me tell you about
cheated.
this. I don't care if he cheated. I do not care about her Instagram. All I care about is the money that you've made to make sure that your children are taken care of.
But
According
just when you think it's over, Mr. Wilson tries to flip the script, blaming Instagram trips for the need for more support. Seriously? The judge's reaction is priceless. This is the part that gets me every time. The judge just shuts it all down. She doesn't care about cheating, vacations, or drama. She cares about the kids. And honestly, that's how it should be.
increase. So, final child support amount, $2,233.50. Is there anything further from either of you?
Here it is, the final number. You can almost feel the relief and frustration in the room. $2,233.50. That's what it takes to support these kids, and the judge makes sure it happens.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I wanted to go over what you all just witnessed in this particular episode. Dad was an attorney, but he also had a mineral interest in some partnerships, right? Can he be ordered to pay child support based on the both of those? Well, of course he can. Under Texas law, you can be ordered to pay child support on assets that are not income producing. What did we all hear him say? He had distributions worth $50,000 that went toward his tax returns. The court can use that in calculating his child support. So the amount of earnings that he makes as an attorney, in addition to what he has based on that tax return payment, he had to pay child support based on that.
If you've ever wondered how judges come up with these numbers, you're about to get a master class. Judge Vonda Bailey breaks it down so anyone can understand. This case is a perfect example of why you can't hide money in family court. The truth always comes out. What do you think? Was the judge too harsh or just right? Drop your thoughts below, and if you've seen crazier excuses, I want to hear them.